Dear students, to join our online class, you have to install Zoom from your Play Store. Write down Zoom here and install it. It may take some time depending on your internet connectivity. Okay, you have done it. Now minimize it and start your web browser. So Chrome or Internet Explorer or anyone. Write down cordovaintl.com.bd. cordovaintl.com.bd, and it will take you to the website of Cordova. And on the top of that, the middle of the page, you will see online class. You just click it, online class, click it. It will take you to the website, and you see here lists are there. July sessions here, IGC 2, IGC 1, and here January session, IGC 2, IGC 1. So you will choose your class. Suppose IGC 1 July session, you click it and it will pop up Zoom. You select Zoom and click it. It will start your application. Now you have to wait. You have to write your name here. Suppose your name is David. Give OK. And you have been connected. If your teacher allow you, you are just connected to the site. Now you're in the classroom. So first problems what students find to enable their audio. You see there's a pop-up. It's a call via device audio. You have to touch it, not down. This one, not this one. Just yes. Here you will just click it, and it will Zoom record audio. Allow. It's okay. Yes, you got it now. So you are connected to the classroom. And when the teacher will start your class, then you will see him or you can interact with him this way. So if you just touch the screen, it will appear. If you just click it unmute, then you can talk. Your teacher can hear you, and the video. So you see, again touch it, touch the screen. Yes, it's coming. You say the video sign. If you touch it, now your camera will be open. Your teacher can see you. If you want to talk face to face, then this is your camera. So this way you can start, and you can stop it, and you can mute it. So if you want to leave the class, you should choose leave on the right corner of this. When nothing is there, you just touch it and it will appear. And now leave, just give leave. Okay, now you are out of the class, and so leave. Okay, now leave meeting. Okay, so you are out of the classroom. So thank you very much for watching. Now I'm going to make another tutorial how you will connect from your Windows PC. Thank you very much.